Hello friends, my name is Salima Begum and these are my qualifications. BA Honors in Polity and MA LLB, preparing for UPSC and qualifying prelims and mains also, but not qualified in interview. So today we are going to discuss some important topic like the Ramsar site. Ramsar's important site যিবোৰ এক্সামৰ বাবে খুবেই ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়। সো এই সাইটসবোৰ এটা এটাকৈ আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম। তো ফার্স্ট সাইট হৈছে ইন জম্মু কাশ্মীৰ লাডাখ ৰিজন। দিছ লাডাখ ৰিজন সুৰিনাৰ মানসাৰ এণ্ড টছ মৰি, এই দুটা খুবেই ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় লাডাখ ৰিজনত। নেক্সট ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ৰামসাৰ সাইট হৈছে ৱালুৰ লেক এণ্ড হকেৰা। ৱালুৰ লেক পাকিস্তান অকুপাইড কাশ্মীৰ বালুচিস্তান ৰিজনত আছে, কিন্তু ইয়াক পাকিস্তানৰ এৰিয়া বুলি কয়, বাট এইটো ইণ্ডিয়াৰ সাইট হয়, ইণ্ডিয়াৰ পাৰ্ট বুলি দাবী কৰে। দেন নেক্সট হৈছে ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ৱালুৰ লেকৰ আৰু এটা ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কথা হৈছে এইটো ফ্ৰেছ ৱাটাৰ লেক হয়, লাৰ্জেষ্ট ফ্ৰেছ ৱাটাৰ লেক। নেক্সট পংগডেম লেক ইন হিমাচল প্ৰদেশ, Chandratal in Himachal Pradesh, Renuka Lake is Himachal Pradesh. These are very important Ramsar site in Himachal Pradesh. This region is called Himachal Pradesh. Next important Ramsar site hoise in UP. This region in UP. UPৰ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ৰামসাৰ সাইটবোৰ হৈছে নতুনকৈ আৰু কেইটামান সাইট ইয়াতে ইনক্লুড কৰা হৈছে। আপাৰ গংগা ৰিভাৰ, সাৰাসাল নাৱৰ ঝিল, নবাবগঞ্জ বাৰ্ড চেংচুৰী, समसपुर बर्ड सेंचुरी, सांडी बर्ड सेंचुरी, पार्वती आगरा बर्ड सेंचुरी and Saman bird sanctuary are important Ramsar site in the UP in Uttar Pradesh. Next important Ramsar sites in Punjab, the Kanjili, then Harike, then Ropar, then Nangal Wildlife Sanctuary, then Bias Wildlife Sanctuary wetland and Kosopur wetland. Important in Punjab. In Rajasthan, this region is called Rajasthan. The Rajasthan Sambar Lake and Keolado Montreux recorded include kora hoise Ramsar site. Then in Gujarat Nal Sarovar is natural fresh water lake. Nal Sarovar bird sanctuary in Gujarat. This region is called Gujarat. Then in MP Madhya Pradesh, this region is called Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh at Vos wetland, it man-made wetland hoy. So Vos wetland is man-made wetland. In Maharashtra, this region is Maharashtra. So Maharashtra Nandur Madheshwar Ramsar site are a river between Godavari and Kodwa river. At first Ramsar site Maharashtra eta Ramsar site nasile aru Nandur Madheshwar eto first Ramsar site in Maharashtra. In Kerala, this region is Kerala. In Kerala, Bhembanad wetland, then Sastamkota lake, then Agastmuri lake. Astamuri wetland in Kerala tinta Ramsar sites, very important Ramsar site. Bhembanad wetland, Sastamkota lake and Astamuri wetland. Then in northeastern region, Assam only one is the Ramsar site is Deepor Bill, is permanent fresh water in Deepor Bill. Then Nagaland is Loktak Lake, Montreux record India duta site Montreux record include kora hoise Loktak and Keolado in Rajasthan. Then next is the Rudrasagar in Tripura. Kolkata, West Bengal is the East Kolkata. Then Sundarban mangrove pao bahut porimane mangrove ase Sundarbanat. Then next is the Orissa Silica Lake and Bhitarkanika. Silica Lake first time Montreux recorder include kora hoisil jodio pisot eto delete kora hoise, Montreux recorder por atorai dia hoise, and Bhitarkanika in Orissa. Kolleru Lake in Andhra Pradesh, this region is called Andhra Pradesh, Kolleru Lake. And Tamil Nadu is the point climate, it is only the wildlife bird sanctuary. Marine Wildlife Bird Sanctuary. It is only Point Climate is only the Marine Wildlife Bird Sanctuary, and it is in Tamil Nadu. This region is Tamil Nadu. So কিছুমান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ফেক্ট যিটো ৰামছাৰ ছাইটৰ বিষয়ে আমাৰ জানিব লাগে। আগতে কম আছিলে ৰামছাৰ ছাইট, বাট নাও ইনক্ৰিজ 26 আছিলে, দেন নাও 37 ৰামছাৰ ছাইট in India. Walur Lake is the largest freshwater lake. Surinar Mansarovar freshwater lake, Tosmuri freshwater and brackish water. Chandratal region, Renuka freshwater. Harike Bias meet in the Sultes. Roper is the freshwater lake. Sambar Lake, largest inland. It's Sambar Lake important है, largest inland salt lake in Sambar Lake. Bhos Lake, man-made lake, and Nal Sarovar, natural fresh water lake. Loktak is the largest fresh water in the northeast region. Diporbil permanent fresh water. East Kolkata. Bhitarkanika is the Gahir Mata beach and olive readily turtle yate poa jay, and then Silica is the brackish water lake. Point Climate, only one marine biosphere reserve, and it is dry and evergreen. Then Bhembanat brackish water, and Kota fresh water. Stamuri natural brackish water. National Waterway 3. Saman Bird Sanctuary is Mainpuri. Then it is the seasonal oxbow lake. Then Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary, Unnao in UP. Selo Marst and Siberian crane yate poa jay. Then Samaspur Bird Sanctuary is Raebareli in UP. Samaspur, Raebareli in UP. Then next is the Sandi Biosphere Reserve Bird Sanctuary, and it is the Hardoi UP, important bird area and BirdLife International. Then Parvati Agra Bird Sanctuary, permanent fresh water. Then next is the Sarasai Nawar Jheel is important in UP. Then next is the Bias Conservation Reserve in Punjab, Indus River Dolphin in Punjab region. The Nangal Wildlife Sanctuary in Punjab, Siva Lake in Punjab. Then next is the Kesopur Maini Reserve. So these are the very important Ramsar site and important information about Ramsar sites. So hope it is helpful for all of you, and thank you so much for watching this video.